Hi there. So we're looking at some tires. These are a couple of tires that I changed out on an SUV a couple of days ago. So this tire is actually still in pretty good shape. It's got your sun, it's got your rain, it's got your snow. So this is basically what they're calling an all-weather tire, right? And it's a Continental tire. And so show you a couple of things. So we do have some weather cracks right there. See that? So even though the tread's good, that's the wear bar. That's the 2/32 wear bar, saying this once it wears to that level. So we still got, this tire's at about 4/32. It still had a little bit of life in it, right? You see some tires, most of them have the date code on them. So I'll show you all what that looks like if I can find it on this one. Not all of them do, but most do. Yeah, so this one's different because it doesn't break it down for me. It just gives me some letters and numbers. I'm sure there's still a way to break that down. I just am not able to just do it by glancing at it. Right? So here's your size, your width, your height, and then your inside diameter. So 255, 45, 20. Okay. These are also directional tires. So see how this says outside? That means that you want this on the outside. And the reason they're directional is because if you'll notice these lines and stuff are contoured in such a way to make sure that it sheds the water out of it. So if it's running backwards, it doesn't shed the water. You're more prone to hydroplane. But the real reason they came in was because this was a tire on the back, this was the tire on the front. So this would have been the driver's side front tire. So on the inside, it was wore out real bad. So you can see it's like almost to the metal over here. And then over here, we're still in great shape. Okay. Here's the other back tire. Aren't you all glad I saved these for you? See, we got more wear here. And I don't know if we can see it. I think you can see it right there. But there's literally like a valley right there. There's a hump right there and a hump right there. So that's cupping. That's caused by being out of alignment. That can be caused by other things too. Not rotated when it was supposed to be. All kinds of things. See, there's another cupping right there, another right there, another right there. So yeah, that was going to be kind of a rough ride because each one of those bumps, bumpy, right? And this was the other inside tire. So you can see it's wore down. There's our wear bars. We're all the way to wear bars. So definitely needed to be fixed. I encouraged them to get a front end alignment done while they was here because there's obviously something that's out of adjustment or there's a worn part on the suspension system that is causing this to happen. And so you don't want to put brand new tires on and then not address the problem of what's causing your tires to wear out. So that's why whenever you buy a brand new set of tires, we recommend an alignment, especially when we see something like this where we see cupping or we see wear on one side of the tire, but not on the other. All right, that's a little bit about tires. I was gonna show you the dates. Let me see if there's a date on this brand new tire that just came in. Perfect, yeah, here's what we're looking for. So we got a DOT number, and I'm sure all that means something. I'll be really honest. That's not really my expertise, but on initial glance, I'm looking at this number and this number. So this tells me that this tire was made the 9th week of 2026. So this tire was made sometime in March in 2026. Tires more often than not have a shelf life of 6 years. So this tire is good until 2032. Look at that. Fancy. Got good tread. See, this is not a directional tire. It doesn't have an inside or an outside, so it can be installed either which direction. It doesn't care. Whereas those are directional, so you have to pay attention to that. So hope this helps. Let me know your tire questions. I'll get them answered in future videos. See ya.